Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how I take care of my long hair. Now hair is the one thing that is so difficult to manage and maintain, and especially if you have long hair like I do, you might have the problems of damaged hair, split ends, rough hair, frizziness, etc. In fact, 82% of women in India have hair longer than shoulder length. So literally we all face all of these hair problems, and we have to keep trimming our hair to resolve the problems of hair breakage, damaged hair and split ends. But I've literally stopped doing that ever since I've started using this professional Matrix Optilong hair care range. I've been using it for the past 2 weeks and it has literally improved the condition of my hair so much. This professional Optilong hair care range by Matrix helps to solve all of your long hair problems, and it consists of only 3 steps. The first step is to cleanse your hair, and for that I use this professional nourishing shampoo. This helps to gently cleanse your hair and removes all of the greasiness from your hair. It is enriched with ceramides which nourishes and protects the midlengths of your hair, and it also helps to protect the ends of your hair from split ends damage. The second step is to nourish your hair, and for that I use this professional nourishing conditioner. This helps to make my hair so manageable. It helps to remove all of the tangles from my hair, making my hair tangle free. It is enriched with ceramides which helps to nourish and strengthen the midlengths of your hair, and it also helps to protect the ends of your hair from split ends damage. And the third step is to protect your hair from split end damage, and for that I use this professional nourishing leave-in cream. This helps to protect your hair from split end damage, and it also provides strength and nourishment to the hair fiber. It helps to resurface your hair strands for a smoother finished and a nourished feel across the length of your hair. So now I'm going to show you how to use this Matrix Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream. So firstly you want to wash your hair with the Matrix Professional Nourishing Shampoo, and then follow it up with the Matrix Professional Nourishing Conditioner. And then on towel dried hair, take 2 to 3 pumps of the Matrix Optilong Leave-In Cream and apply it on your hair from mid-length to the ends. Make sure you apply it on the ends, as this leave-in cream nourishes your ends and helps them grow longer. And as you can see, my hair looks so much more smoother and manageable now, and overall my hair feels so much more nourished now. Even the ends of my hair feel so smooth and nourished, and as you can see there's absolutely no split ends on my hair. So now you can also get professional hair care at home using the professional Matrix Optilong hair care range. It provides specialized hair care for long hair, and it helps to solve all of your long hair problems. So now I'm going to show you a very quick and easy hairstyle for long hair. So firstly you want to take all of your hair on one side, then you want to tie it in a loose ponytail. You want to remove a few strands from each side. Then divide the ponytail into 2 by creating a hole in the middle, and then twist the ponytail into the hole. You want to leave some space and then tie another ponytail on the length of your hair. Again create a gap between the hair and twist the ponytail into the gap. And then I'm going to create a third ponytail and repeat the same process. The best thing that I like about this product is that it makes your hair so smooth and frizz-free, and I do not have any split ends anymore. So now you can also get professional hair care at home by using professional Matrix Optilong hair care range. This range is specially designed to nourish your long hair and to solve all of your long hair problems, and it is trusted by professionals for 3 times more protection from split end damage. Matrix Professional Nourishing Shampoo comes in a 350 ml variant which retails for 535 rupees. Matrix Professional Nourishing Conditioner comes in the 196 grams variant which retails for rupees 470. And Matrix Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream comes in a 95 ml variant which retails for 445 rupees. So I highly recommend you check out the professional Matrix Optilong hair care range for split ends and damaged hair problems. The links to purchase all of these products is mentioned in the description box below, and you can also get exclusive discounts if you visit the links in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, that was my video on how I take care of my long hair. Those were all of the products that I've been using for the past 2 weeks, and there is no turning back. They have literally been a lifesaver for my long hair and my long hair problems, and I highly recommend you try them out if you also have long hair. And if you found this video helpful, then please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments below if you have tried these products or if you're planning on buying them. And yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.